In a world where the sun was a radiant sphere of crimson, and the moon a silver crescent, there lived an ibis, known as Ian. Ian was not like the other birds, for he possessed a wisdom that surpassed all others. One day, a fierce storm swept across the land, uprooting trees, flooding rivers, and leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Ian, perched atop a towering oak, witnessed the chaos unfold. The other birds huddled together, afraid and helpless. Ian, however, felt a strange sense of calm. He spread his wings and took flight, venturing towards the heart of the storm. The other birds watched in awe, their fear turning into curiosity. As Ian navigated through the tempest, he noticed something peculiar. In the midst of the chaos, a small village was being spared. Ian landed on a roof, and to the astonishment of the villagers, he spoke, "Fear not, for I have found the key to your salvation." The villagers, though puzzled, followed Ian as he led them to the edge of the village. There, he pointed to a small, unassuming hill. "Dig," he commanded, "and you shall find your salvation." The villagers, with newfound hope, began to dig. As they dug deeper, they found a hidden spring, untouched by the storm. The water from the spring quenched their thirst and filled their wells, saving their village from the ravages of the storm. The story of Ian spread, and soon, the ibis became a symbol of hope, wisdom, and resilience. The moral of the tale was clear: in the face of adversity, wisdom and courage can lead to salvation. In the end, it was not the might of the storm that mattered, but the wisdom of the ibis and the courage of the villagers that saved the day. And so, the ibis's wisdom became a beacon of hope, a reminder that in the darkest of storms, wisdom and courage can lead us to light.